Now, this is how we can get rid of the search bar on the iPad. Well, there are more things you might mean by it, but most likely if you mean the Safari website and the search bar in here, well, essentially what you're going to do in there is have the website open, which you want to make go to the full screen, and you can click on the button next to the URL, which is this one in here, and you can also click on more options in there, and you can tap on the hide toolbar. And if you do this like that, you can see that the search disappears, which leaves you with more space and more kind of like area to browse the website. So this makes it a little bit easier. If you mean that, you can easily do it like that. But there are also some other search related settings on your iPad. So if you go to the settings and find the section for home screen and a library, you can also show that there is going to be the suggested apps and apps in here and so on. So you can manage those things in there, but you can also go to the search and decide if you have the search able for all of the apps, or if you show the recent searches or related content and so on. So this is like the dedicated search settings, but you don't really have that much option to get rid of the search bar really outside of the thing which I showed you. So let me know what you specifically mean. Let me know if I managed to help you out with that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the future uploads.